Yeah, hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, co-founder of Random Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform here. We're talking about how to make money online, how to do your dollar arbitrage, and how to start your own online company. Yeah, so today, no time to waste. Before I start today's episode, please, if you are looking for a very legit app to be on it, to chat to your friends, and to answer some questions online and get money, I recommend Randall Chat for you. So the link is in the description. You can download it and join on the platform. But today's episode, I want to show you how you can make money right now. So we're using Exness and Binance. Yeah, that's where the opportunity are. And the interest is not very huge, but if you do more, you get more. So let me show you. So first of all, we will use Exness. Yeah, we use Exness. Exness and what? And Binance. Yeah, so we'll be using Exness and Binance. Yeah. So when I open Exness, this is how Exness looks like. Yeah. So if I go to Binance and I go to sell cryptocurrency, you see that like the amount over there is what is 12.94. Yeah, so this is how I'll do it. I'll come to Exness and I'll go to deposit. That means I want to what? I want to buy USDT. So I'll be buying the USDT with what? With mobile money. And this one, if you're using the new version, it will be very hard for you to do it. Yeah. So I'll come to deposit. So it's loading here. So I'll select a load the wallet. So I'll choose mobile money. I hope you're watching it very carefully. Yeah. So when I come to mobile money, so 12 cities is what 0.9 so 91 is so 12.91 is what $1 or one USDT. So when I come to Binance, the USDT is what is 12.94. So imagine. So it means that I have interest of what 0.03. Some people will be saying that it's very small, but let's do this calculation before we continue. For you to know that there's nothing like small in arbitrage. Yeah. So let's say 0.03 times. Let's say I'm doing thousand Ghana cedis. Thousand Ghana cedis. Okay. I'm investing thousand Ghana cedis. My interest was 30 Ghana cedis. So you imagine I'm doing 10,000 Ghana cedis, so 0.03. And this one, there's no way you'll be at loss. Is it at 10 times 10,000? 10,000 equal to what? 300 cities. Though it's very small, but imagine doing 10,000 cities and then cities, 300 cities times 10. 300 cities times 10 payday. 300 cities times 10. How much is it? 3,000 Ghana cedis for a day. Yeah. So this is how I'll do it. So if so right now I've already buy 9 USDT for me to show you. So I bought it with 12.91. So it means that I have interest of what 0.03. So I'll go to Binance and I'll go to what? I'll go to deposit. Then I'll copy my USDT address. USDT address. You see that I've been doing a lot. Let me show you. You see, I've been doing a lot. This are my record. I've been doing a lot. I've been doing a lot here. So I'll choose this and I'll choose the address that's TRCX. Then I'll copy it. Then I'll go back to Exness. So Exness, I'll go to what withdraw because I want to withdraw the money I've bought here to Binance and sell it and what I'll get a profit from it. So I'll choose this and I'll paste the address over here and I'll enter 999. Okay, so Binance actions from 10 going. Yeah. Oh, unless I brought something to it. So it's from 10 going. Yeah, okay. So let's do it. So if I transfer the money from here to Binance, I'll go to trade and go to a P2P. And and the reason why I'm saying that you'll be at a profit side is that you see you buy the USDT on Exness for 12.91. 12.91. So when you come to Binance and you sell it at 12.94, yeah, 12 like even it's 12.94, 12 point. Let me go to the sell part. So if I'm selling it at 12.94, it means that I have what 0.03. You see, 0.03. So imagine that I invested 10,000 Ghana cedis in it. That means I'm getting a profit of what 300 Ghana cedis per per trade. You see that thing? Yeah. So people don't value the 0.00 something. You see that thing? But yo, bro, imagine you doing that thing for 10 times. It's money. See that thing? Imagine you doing that thing for 10 times. It's money. So don't say that it's zero. It's not up to one. So what? It's not profit, yo, bro. Because sending money from Exness Exness to Binance is free, and depositing money from any wallet to Exness to is what is free. You see, the fee is what 0%. It's free. So it means that you are on the profit side because like if you send the money from here to Binance, they will not charge you anything, and you sell it on the P2P and get the money in your mobile money wallet or the wallet you have what you want to receive the money inside. I hope you get it. Yeah. So though the profit here is what 0.03. But bro, if you invest 1,000 cedis, you have 30 Ghana cedis as profit. If you invest, so let's say 1,000 Ghana cedis, 30 cedis, and you're doing it 10 times. If you have 1,000 Ghana cedis and you're doing it 10 times, so so 30 times 10. I know it's 300, but I want you to see 30 times 10. 300 Ghana cedis. You see that thing? Yeah. So if you have 10 cities, 1,000 cities, you'll be getting 300 cities per day. So imagine you have 10,000, 20,000, you're getting profits. You see that thing? 3,000, 4,000. You see that thing? Yeah. So don't say that it's 0.03. So it's not a profit. It's not this. It's not this. Nah, it's profit, bro. It's profit. Yeah. So today, if you are smart, you can make money from Exness to what Binance right now. If you are smart, you can make money from Exness to Binance right now. Yeah. So this the tutorial for today, and if you like it, you can subscribe, you can like, and you can share to your friends. The next 2 minutes here, I'm Ken Rhymes, and I'm out. Thank you.